Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing it before and after on the tint I got done roughly 2 months ago. So this is obviously old footage of the Focus since the white wheels haven't been mounted yet, but yeah, in this clip I'm just walking around the car showing the windows for an easy comparison with the following clip where the tint is applied. Looking at these windows without any tint in retrospect is actually pretty crazy now. It looks so weird. I can't believe I went 3 years without tint, especially living in Southern California. But anyways, check out the differences in the next clip. Here is what the tint looks like on the Focus. So I went with 20% all around, nothing on the front windshield. So 20% front, 20% rear, there too, and 20% back here as well. I didn't want to go with the staggered look. I feel like a lot of people have that, and personally I wasn't really a fan. Kind of just like the same look front and back. I think it looks pretty good. Don't mind the car, it's extremely dirty. I'm about to wash it in a couple minutes here, but just wanted to update the tint situation. So that's what we got, 20%. It's pretty dark, but I mean, you can definitely get out of the shot. I think you can see through the other side, maybe. I can't. In the real world you can. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. There's so much glare. Can't really see the screen. But yeah, so that is the tint update. That's what 20% looks like. Pretty happy with it. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video.